It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Does your home have bad water pressure? Let's take a look at 3 common causes. Clogged pipes or fixtures. Food, residue, grease, dirt, or sand can build up, causing a clog that reduces water flow. Over time, faucets and shower heads also become less efficient due to mineral buildup. Using a drain catcher to stop unwanted items from flowing down your pipes and regularly cleaning fixtures can help reduce these issues. Even small leaks can significantly reduce pressure by diverting water elsewhere. Also, you can inspect your home for damp spots or visible drips, as they may also be signs that you have a leak that needs repair. Homes with pressure regulators may experience low pressure if the device fails or is incorrectly adjusted. Most regulators are set by the manufacturer at 45 to 60 psi. You can try adjusting it, but if the issue affects your entire home, it's worth having the regulator inspected or replaced. Addressing these issues can restore proper water pressure and improve your home's water flow. Taking action early can prevent bigger problems down the road, and if the issue persists, consult a licensed professional. We thought you'd like to know.